Hello, yes, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session, we discussed about active voice and passive voice, right? Active voice and passive voice. It means the voice means the work or action verb which was performed by subject or object is called active voice and passive voice, right? Voice and two types, active voice, passive voice. Some notations also I said like grammatical formulas and how to change also, right? According to tenses. Now today's topic is speech. Reporting speech and reported speech. Two types of speeches are there. First of all, speech means this is also only depends on tenses. Now let me explain you some easy techniques to write speech. Right? Now first one, speech means narration. Narration. Narration means whatever speaker spoke the words. Yesterday I said we can convey in two ways. This is also same. Narration means in general, if narration means story elaboration, narrate the story, we listen. That is called story narration, elaborate the story. We have to just take the one line, after that we have to elaborate the story. That is called narration generally. But here narration means whatever speaker spoke the words, we can narrate in two ways. Voice also same, but if you give preference to first person, that is called active. If you give preference to the second person, that is called passive, I said. But here narration means we can transformation of words, transformation of sentence is called narration. Now let me explain you with a good example. Here reporting speech and reported speech. Two are there, reporting speech, reported speech. Reporting speech means direct speech. Reported means indirect speech. Okay. Now here, comma and quotations are comma, quotations. These are enclose here. Here there is no comma or no quotations, no quotes. We can easily identify these two. This is the small difference is there. Okay. Now some rules and regulations are there. Let me give you here. Now here one example I will explain you so that you can easily understand. Ram said he is coming tomorrow. Okay. He is coming to college. If you take easy one, he is coming to college. Okay. This is first one. This is reporting speech. This is direct speech. Direct. Now let me change into indirect so that I can make you understand with easy examples. First one, Ram means Ram. Said means verb. Comma and quotations we have to remove in indirect speech. Said that. We have to use comma, quotations, remove and put that. He. This is which tense. In quotations, what is the tense? We have to observe. This is called reporting verb. RV. Okay, these are the things we have to observe. Now here, Ram said. Otherwise here, Ram said, I am coming to college. Okay, if you take this. For example, otherwise Ram said he is coming to college. Here two ways are there. Ram said he is coming to college means Ram is saying about other person. Otherwise Ram said I am coming to college. For example, if you take here I am coming to college. Okay. Ram cheptunnadu I am coming to college. Right. He only himself I am coming to college he said. Now I am changing. I change it to he. Because which tense is this? Present continuous tense. So present continuous tense change it to past continuous. He was coming to college. That's it. Okay. Same things. Now here comma and quotations remove. We have to put that. Some slight difference is there. Let me give you one clarity. Here first reporting verb we have to change. 1 point. Second one, comma and quotations change. We have to put that. Here also some rules are there. I will let you know. Now here which tense is this? We have to change. And next one here pronouns will be changed. Pronouns. Okay. 4 points are there. I will let you know one by one now. First one. Here there is no sufficient place or space, so that's why I have to write here. Now first one, reporting verb. said, change it to said. Here direct, here indirect. Okay, next one, say, tell, says, tells, said to, told. Here said to means sometimes told, sometimes ordered, sometimes discussed, depends on that sentence or tense. I said, right, depends on that means inside what is the sentence inside the quotes. We have to depend on, according to that sentence we have to change this reporting verb. Next one, tense, simple present, change it to simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Next one, simple past, past perfect, past perfect. Let me write it clearly. Perfect. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. That's it about tenses. These are the changes. Now remaining. Here can, change it to could. Shall, change it to should. Will, change it to would. May, might. Okay, now here, now change it to then. Here pronoun changes, pronouns. Here, there, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day or the last day, previous day. Okay, now here these are the changes. Now according to this we have to make understand. Now here one more point is there, comma and quotations remove. We have to put that. I said where we have to put that, and if and whether also we have to use. Comma and quotations remove, we have to use if and whether while it is a interrogative sentence. While using interrogative sentences or while transferring interrogative sentences, we have to use if or whether. Or model verb questions are there, we have to use model verbs. This type of questions are there, questioning, then we have to use if or whether. Now let me explain you with good example with all tenses so that you can easily understand. This is the thing. First, speech means we can, whatever speaker spoke the words, we can transform into two ways. Why I am telling you reporting and reported. If you take one example, Ram said I am coming to college. Okay, Ram is, we are saying his words directly. Ram said okay I am coming to college. I am saying his words. That is reporting. Otherwise reported means Ram said that he was coming to college. Means I am changing that in my own words. That is reported. డైరెక్ట్ స్పీచ్ అంటే ఆయన చెప్పిన వర్డ్స్ అలానే కన్వే చేస్తున్నాను. రామ్ ఇలా చెప్పాడు, అతను కాలేజ్కి వస్తాడంట, నేను కాలేజ్కి వస్తానని అతను చెప్పాడు అని. ఇండైరెక్ట్ స్పీచ్ అంటే రామ్ సెడ్ దట్, ఆయన చెప్పాడు అతను కాలేజ్కి వస్తాడంట అని చెప్తున్నాను. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ స్పీచ్. ఓకే. అండ్ రిపోర్టెడ్ స్పీచ్ ఎందుకన్నామంటే న్యూస్ రిపోర్టర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, న్యూస్ రిపోర్టర్స్ దే కన్వే ద మ్యాటర్ ఓకే ఇన్ దేర్ ఓన్ స్టైల్. The whatever happened there, they can convey the matter in their convenience way. So that is called reported. So that's why we call it as reported speech, indirect speech. Now here changes are reporting verb. First one, we have to understand the reporting verb changes. Reporting verb said change to said, said to told or ordered, discussed or argued. Okay, different, depends on that sentence, tense. Okay, next one. Say, tell, says, tells. And one more important point is there. Here universal truth is there, never changes. Same universal truths are there. Universal truth remains same in indirect also. Ram said, okay, the sun rises in the east. Ram said that the sun rises in the east. That's it. Universal truth unte మనం చేంజ్ చేయలేము, remains same. Ram said that the sun rises in the east. Okay, Ram said water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Ram said that water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Here one more point is, first reporting verb we have to change. Next one, comma, quotations removed. Remove. Put that. That word we have to put. If modal verbs are there or interrogative questions are there, we have to put if or whether. Modal verbs question or questionings, questions are there if or whether. Instead of that we have to put if or whether. Comma and quotations remove, we have to put if or whether. Now let me give you with examples. Now tenses changes. Simple present change it to simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, simple past, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. These are the changes. In future tense, will change it to would, shall change it to should, can change it to could, might change it to might. Right? These are. And here, now change, pronoun changes. Now, then, here, there, this, that, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, next, yesterday, the previous day. Right? Here, there, this, that. These are the changes. Okay, now let me explain you with one example so that you can easily understand. And universal truth remains always same. In direct and indirect speech same, we cannot change. Right, comma and quotations. Now we have to follow these 4 rules so that we can easily change the tenses. Let me give you one good example so that you can easily understand. Now, as I said before, Ram said, okay, he comes to college. Like this we have to use. Okay, Ram said, comma, quotations, I come to college. First one. This is simple present tense, I come to college. Right? Now simple present. Now this is direct speech. Now this is indirect. Let me change here so that you can easily understand. Ram said. Said change it to said. That. I change it to he. Came to. Because present, simple present change it to simple past. He came to college. That's it. Okay, this is the change. And here comma and quotations are there. Here it should not be there. That is the only difference. Right? Now simple present is there. Now present continuous. Same, I am coming to college. Ram said is common, comma and quotations, I am coming to college. Same, Ram said that he was coming to college. Ram said that he was coming to college. Present continuous, change it to past continuous. Past continuous, that's it. Present perfect, same, Ram said I have come to college. Ram said that he had come to college. Present perfect, change it to past perfect. I have come to college, he had come to college. That's it. Okay, now simple past change it to past perfect. Ram said I came to college. Ram said that, same, he had come to college. Same like this. Simple past also change it to like this. Ram said, past continuous. Simple past change it to past perfect, same. Now past continuous. Ram said, I was coming to college. Ram said that he had been coming to college. That's it. This is the change. Okay, this is the tenses change. Let me give you one more time with other examples. Simple present change it to simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Now let me explain you with good example. Ram said, same example, so that you can easily understand. Ram said, okay, comma, or Ram asked. In direct speech we can use said, it's okay, but here what is your name, for example, your name, question mark. Okay, now here Ram said, Ram asked, WH words, so that's why no need to use if or whether. Ram asked that. Here question is there, depends on this question or suggestion, we have to use asked or discussed or argued. Okay, we have to follow this. Now Ram asked that. What? Your means my name was. Each change to was. So Ram asked that what my name was. That is, in the indirect speech we have to use Ram asked that what my name was. Here comma and quotations removed, we have to put that. But depends on this is question or whatever is there, depends on that we have to change the reporting verb. Said is, if question is there, we have to use asked normally. So that's why Ram asked that what my name was. Okay, this is about questioning. Let me explain you one more example. Ram said, can you come tomorrow? Or will you come tomorrow? Okay, will you come tomorrow if you take. I am giving you different ways. Just please follow this. Will you come tomorrow? Okay, this is questioning. Here will is modal verb. Modal verb. So here this is a question. So of course asked. Ram asked. Now comma and quotations remove. Comma and quotations remove. We have to use if or whether. Whether. Ram asked whether or if. You means will you come tomorrow? If I would. Will change to would. I would come the next day. That's it. Ram asked if I would come the next day. We have to use like this way. Okay. Now direct speech and indirect speech, first we have to use. And Ram said, one more thing I said already, in universal truth remains always same. Ram said, comma in quotations, the sun rises in the east. Ram said that. Always we have to use Ram said that the sun rises in the east. That's it. Ram said that the sun rises in the east. Okay. This is the thing we have to follow. Ram said, will you come tomorrow? Ram asked if I would come the next day. Okay. Ram said, will you come tomorrow? Ram asked if I would come the next day. Okay. This is one type. And first one here, total 4 points I said. First one, comma, reporting verb we have to use. Reporting verb RV. RV change we have to use. Second one, comma and quotations. Third one, tenses. Fourth one, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Fourth one, pronoun. These 4 we have to follow so that you can easily transfer the sentence into direct to indirect. Okay, reporting verbs, said change it to said. Again I am telling you, reporting verb, said change it to said, say change it to tell, says change it to tells, said to means told or asked or ordered. Okay, depends on. Now next one, comma and quotations remove. We have to put that. Normal sentences are there, always we have to put that. If interrogative sentences and modal verb questionings are there, we have to use if or whether. Comma and quotations remove, we have to put if or whether. Next, in direct speech, always commas and quotations are there. In indirect, commas and quotations will not be there. Okay, next one, tenses. Simple present change it to simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, simple past, past perfect. Simple, next past continuous, past perfect continuous. Next, can change it to could, will change it to would, shall change it to should, may change it to might. Now, then, is, was, here, there, tomorrow, the next day, today, the day, yesterday, the previous day or the before day, okay, the day before we can use. Next one, next, today, the day, that's it. This is about speech. Very easy thing, you can easily, if you understand the techniques, this four we can easily change into, we can easily convert into direct to indirect. Okay, this is about speech. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Okay, this is very easy. These 4 points are very, very important. Reporting verb and tenses and comma and quotations and pronouns. If you follow these 4 techniques, we can easily transfer that or transform that from direct to indirect very easily. Okay, any sentence, follow these 4 techniques by using this. Okay, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.